Whenever Koreans think of Dak Galbi, they automatically think of Chuncheon. Chuncheon is a city in Korea which the dish was believed to be originated from. With the growing popularity, it has become the symbolic food of the region. For today, I will show you how you can enjoy authentic Dak Galbi at home. The dish finishes with fried rice, so keep watching till the end. You need chicken thigh. I'm using boneless type as this cooks faster. Amongst the vegetables, cabbage is a must. The natural sweetness and moisture from cabbage completes the dish. Wine helps to integrate different ingredients and cook away with excessive chicken smell. Curry powder is my special ingredient, and the curry flavor actually goes really well with the dish. Lastly, Koreans love to add mozzarella cheese at the end. Now everything is ready, let's get cooking.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a robber's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a robber's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
This is a radish pickle, which is a common side dish in most Dak Galbi restaurants in Korea. You can get this from any Korean grocery store. Try making a sam, which is like a Korean wrap with lettuce, radish pickle, chili, and Dak Galbi like this. Enjoy! There's always room for dessert? No, for the fried rice. If you want to enjoy Dak Galbi the most authentic way, you've got to finish with fried rice. Koreans don't quite feel like the meal is finished without having the rice at the end.